Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a beef teriyaki recipe. This is so good and it's easy to make. So let me show you how I did this. Into the beef, add salt and black pepper. Into a pan, add oil, render bacon, and transfer into a plate. Next step, sear the beef until brown. Add onions and saute until caramelized. Add bacon, a good quality of teriyaki sauce, beef broth, and 1 cup of water. Boil for 1 minute and it's ready to transfer into preheated oven 480 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours from the oven, turn on the fire back, add green paprika, slurry consists of cornstarch and water. And lastly, sprinkle spring onions. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.